Today you will learn how to make a text diagonal in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, go to the top of your screen and click the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, click on Text Box. You will see different ready-made text box styles. You can choose any style or simply click Simple Text Box. The text box will appear in your document. Now click inside the text box and type the text you want. Next, click anywhere on the edge of the text box so it becomes selected. You will now see small circles around the box and a circular rotate arrow at the top. Click and hold that circular arrow. Now drag your mouse to rotate the text box. As you rotate it, your text will also rotate. You can rotate it slightly for a small angle, or rotate it more to make it fully diagonal. Once you are happy with the angle, release the mouse. Now your text is diagonal. Sometimes you may not want the box outline around your text. To remove the border, click the text box, go to the Shape Format tab, click Shape Outline, and choose No Outline. Now your text will appear diagonal without the visible box. You can also change the text color, font size, and style from the Home tab. Another nice way to create diagonal text is by using WordArt, which gives your text a more stylish look. Go to the Insert tab again. Now click WordArt. You will see different text styles. Choose any style you like. A WordArt box will appear in your document. Type your text. Just like before, click on the WordArt object and look for the circular rotate arrow at the top. Click and drag that arrow to rotate the text to any angle you want. Now your WordArt text will appear diagonal and more decorative. Sometimes you may want your text to rotate to an exact angle, like 45 degrees. Click on your text box or WordArt. Now go to the Shape Format tab. Click the Rotate button. Then choose More Rotation Options. A settings window will appear. Look for the rotation box and type the exact angle you want. For example, 45 degrees for diagonal text, 90 degrees for vertical text. After entering the number, click OK. Your text will rotate to the exact angle. You can also move the diagonal text anywhere on your page by dragging the text box. If the text is covering other content, click the Layout Options button and choose options like Behind Text or In Front of Text. This helps you place diagonal text like a watermark or label. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. See you in the next easy tutorial.